It's December 21st. Happy winter solstice, everybody. We're looking at the Makita Advent Calendar 2025 unboxing, day 21. So far, we've gotten the Makita storage box, 4 different drill bit sets, a 4-piece socket set, a LED light, laces, snap-off knife, screwdriver T-handle, hex key set, 4 different bit sets, cookie cutters, we got a level, we got a keychain, and we got a magnetic angle grinder. Let's have a look in number 21. Oh, yes! In number 21, we got a ratchet. This is a 1/4-inch ratchet. Flip over for flipping directions, and of course a easy release for your sockets. Follow to see what we're going to be getting in number 22.